What's up, Photo Booth family? Welcome to the Photo Booth magnet tutorial. Josh of Unique Memories out of Texas. He's a Photo Booth 101 member. He's been crushing it making these magnets. And it's not even just a photo booth magnet experience. You can start doing this with your equipment and just selling them on the side, right? Plenty of people need magnets for their business, magnets for their parties. And Josh has said he's made thousands of dollars doing this. So I asked him if he could make this tutorial for you guys, and he came through. So enjoy, and I'll see you guys at the end.
Hey, what's up, Photo Booth 101 fam? Josh here from Unique Memories Photo Booth in El Paso, Texas. And I'm gonna do a quick video showing you guys what you need to start making custom magnets. Now, this is assuming that you guys have everything that Drew recommends, like the high-type printer, your laptop, your iPad, the whole photo booth setup. Okay, now it's all right if you don't have all that right now. Just take note of what you need. That way you know once you're ready to start growing your business. Okay, so let's get into it. Basically, all you need is your cutter. And now this one does cut for a 2x3 magnet. And then you need your magnet press. Again, this is just a 2x3 magnet. I like that one because it takes the picture vertically on our iPad and it prints it like that, so we can make the magnets that way. And then obviously you can rotate your iPad as well, so if you want to make them horizontal, you can do that too. And just check out different companies that make these presses and make these cutters, because the one that I bought, it came with 1,000 of these Mylar sheets and 1,000 of these metal sheets. These are just little metal things that go in there. And then 1,000 of these cardboard cutouts. There are acrylic options, but I went with the cardboard version because I don't know, I just like that one better. And it also came with 1,000 magnets. So you can start making them, you know, people's dogs. They can turn the pictures with Santa. And I'm gonna show you guys how we actually make these.
So starting from the very beginning, you guys wanna go into Canva, make your template. I always do it 4x6, and then you go in, put it in LumaBooth. Once they take their picture, this is what it's going to look like. I'm going to print one. This is just an example from an event that we did this past weekend, the border dance competition. So obviously you're going to have this connected to your laptop and it's going to start printing. This is how you can make them on the spot for any event. I'll show you guys how to make these in just a bit. So there you go, there's your print. You just put it in here. Now you want to line it up, and your cutter has these little points right here to help guide you. Just center it, punch it out. Okay, once you have that, you're going to get your magnet, the sticky side up. This is a little jig to help center your cardboard. You don't need this, but it definitely comes in handy. Then put in your metal. Then the picture, then the Mylar, it's going to seal it all together. So I'll put that side first, and then spin it around so it can put it all together. And there you go, custom magnet, made instantly. You can even put your branding here on the sides. You can put something else in the top. Pretty cool. So remember, you can also print your own from that same high-type printer. These are the first ones that we made, and we put them on the photo booth for people to take.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please go follow Josh on Instagram. Here is his handle. Thanks again, Josh, and thank you guys for watching. God bless. See you soon.